Hey YouTube, Mike that Tankless guy here. How we all doing today? I hope we all had a safe and productive week. All right, today's video, actually, I'm going to give you a tour of my new shop. Not a kind of a new shop. I'm actually renting another building that actually has a second story, like loft, where I'll be doing videos in, and it's adjacent, about 2 doors down, in the same complex as my other shop. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of the shop and tell you where I've been from Sunday to Wednesday, and then I have to give some information on Navien. All right, so we're going to start with the Navien first. Okay, Navien does not want homeowners installing their tankless heaters. Only a licensed plumber or contractor plumber to install their tankless heaters. If you do install their unit, you will void the warranty. They will not warranty the unit. So if you're interested in having a tankless heater, a Navien, put in to your home, contact a licensed plumber. Now, you can go on Navien's website and you can put in information, and they will give you contractors that are actually certified by them. So they have gone through their training, like what I did with their trainer Rick 2 times here at my shop, and where I was just at over the weekend, over the past couple of days. So the second way is you can actually message me, and I have a pretty good list of contractors, especially here in the Florida and Georgia area. But I can find someone for you with your zip code that is a licensed plumber on their website, so through Navien. But look for someone in your area. Of course, always get multiple bids from contractors. Find out what their experience is. Maybe they can show you photos or give you names of people that they've installed it for. The more info you get, the better. But again, you cannot, as a homeowner, install a Navien heater or tankless or their boiler. All right, you're going to void the warranty. Now, as far as where to purchase it. Now, you can buy it and have a licensed plumber contractor install the unit, and he registers it with his name, his license, and your information, of course, because it's registered under you. But you can only buy them from authorized distributors. You cannot, again, you cannot. And I know I have said this on videos, and I have said this to people that I've talked to, even contractors. You cannot buy them online. You cannot get them from Amazon. You cannot get them from Big Frog, supplyhouse.com. You cannot buy them online. You have to physically go into an authorized, like a Ferguson or a Wind Supply or a Noland or a Terrington Supply. But you cannot buy them online. Again, you will void the warranty. Okay? All right. Where was I? Well, I left at 5:30 Sunday night, and I was invited down with other contractors from South Florida to the Navien Advanced Training Academy, their lab in Moorestown, New Jersey. Now, I did not fly. I drove my van because, for starters, I had to bring up 2 bags of camera equipment, because yes, I did. I videoed it, and I will be posting. I have 2 or 3 videos that I actually do not need to edit, and then I have a bunch of videos that I need to edit. And the class I got there at Monday at 12 o'clock, and I did a nice, about 40-minute video just with me and my camera, or my camera and I, of the actual facility. The classroom, the display, and their hands-on lab, which to me, this lab and academy, and I've been to many, many, many different training facilities. And by far, it is probably the top place that I've ever been to. And their instructor, Sean, is second to none in as far as teaching the product to us contractors. And I stayed there till about 12:30 on Wednesday and then drove all the way home 16 and a half hours. And yes, I'm still reeling from it a couple of days later. But I will list in the description below, whichever way it goes, the phone number where you as a contractor can call up and speak with the coordinator there that will put you on a list or put you on the list for the next training class. And you just get down there. There's, I will include the website where there's pricing on with and without hotel. And one price gets you a hotel and gets you a kit. And I'll show you, which the camera is on, kits that you get one, but I got two because I need them for videos. So it is, I highly, highly, highly recommend it. It is just an experience and a half, and you'll love it. All right, so let me give you a quick tour of the shop here. All right, let me get this camera turned around. All right, so I'll show you. This is actually the property. I know I've never showed you my shop, but that is my corner where my parking is. That's my shop right there. That's my original shop. It's actually, what is it, 2,400 square feet, because I have a second floor in that. So it's an entire second floor. But this is my new shop. It's two doors down from me. The gentleman in here used to live here. He had a pedal cart business, and he passed away in the hospital, and no one else wanted it, so I took it. I needed more room. So we built this pipe rack so I can get my pipe out of that shop, and he left me some shelving where I can put, you know, right now we're in the process of construction. We're still cleaning the place out. It took out like 12, 13 yards of garbage. There's the second floor, which will be where I'll do most of the videos. And down here, I'm only going to line the walls with stuff. This is where we're going to be doing larger training courses. So probably up to like 15 or so people we can have down here, where we'd be able to do training, and I'm going to try to do live fire. And up there, I'll go up there in a second, is where I'll be doing my one-on-one videos, smaller training, and my editing. So this is it. Still a lot of work. I'm so busy that I need to find some time. And yes, that is part of my pack out system. That is only a small amount that I took out of my office. I still have another 3 stacks in there that I have to get in here. Bathroom, which we need to change all the fixtures. More storage. And then this is where I keep my heavy equipment, stuff that I really don't use, but I still have my 2.5 to 4 inch threader, my 4 to 6 inch core driller, saw cutter, my rigid 300s, my Vic machines, stuff I really don't use down here. Some of my heavy cutters and clamp on drill press. Storage pretty much everywhere. Sink, I actually got a sink in here. And I'll go over the Navien parts boxes. Those are amazing what they give you. So I had to remove a lot of stuff, and now I got a bunch of repair. Up here, we gutted it. This was their bedroom. And we gutted it. I got to do walls. I got to do a ceiling. I put an air conditioner in, a mini split. And yes, I had it installed now. I should have had it installed later, but my AC contractor had openings, so. But this is it. I'll have the units back there, shelving for parts. My computer desk will be here. And then this is where we'll be doing all the videos. But my other shop actually has a second floor. So up here, there's a whole storage facility. So let me show you. Now I'm going to be doing videos on this. We're going to be starting with the bottom NPN, which is the videos that I've done already. And then as you can see, it's the NPE-2. The NPN is their non-condensing unit. See? So that's their non-condensing unit. And the NPE-2 is their condensing unit. Now, let me open up the box and show you what the deal is here. So, again, I will be doing videos on this. For the NPE-2, there's just one of every part in here. Why? Because their water servo valve, their fan, their Venturi, their PC board, they're all the same. All you have to do, like on the PC board, is flip dip switches, and it becomes whatever size unit you're servicing. Their water servo valve, like with their competitor here, this is a water servo valve, servo valve, servo valve, servo valve, servo valve. And that's only, what is that? 4. That's only 4 of them. So here is all of maybe an 1/8 of the competitor's parts. And in one box there is all of their model replacement parts. The only thing that's not in that box is the heat exchanger. That comes assembled in a box if you need one. But like I said, I will be doing videos starting with the NPN, because that's the last video I had to do. I had to wait, you know, with like everything, the supply chain is really hurting. But I was able to pick up, the NPN was given to me there, and then they had one allocated for me to my supply house for the NPE, and now I have everything that I need to do, because once I finish the NPN, I will be starting on the NPE videos, and that's the units are in my other shop. They're brand new units sitting in my other shop. So yeah, like I said, this is still under construction. We're still cleaning. So this is the whole thing. It should be nice in here. It should be nice for training in here. Be really good. All right, let me get this thing back down here. Get the camera flipped around. I'm actually using a different tripod here. Hold on a second. Okay. There we go. All right, so, well, it's getting a little warm. It's still a little warm here, but it's going to start cooling down soon. And this shop being so open, it's nice in here. But starting next week, I got to start on upstairs, start doing the walls, the ceiling, the floor. Electric was all redone, switches, outlets. I just got to panel it and throw a drop ceiling insulated. But it's nice. At least that'll be air conditioned when I go do a video. It'll be nice and cool up there. All right. I want to mention again, one more time, Navien does not allow homeowners to install their units. It must be a licensed plumber or plumber contractor to install their units. Okay, because you're going to void the warranty, and you cannot buy a Navien online. So no online purchases. go to your local supply house. Again, you can call Navien up, or you can go on Navien and they will give you a list. You can even call them. They will give you a list of their qualified, like me, plumbers or a supply house. Because yes, I know contractors, they could double the price of the unit. But you must have a licensed plumber install the unit. And again, you can message me and I will find someone for you. Remember, give me your complete address, including your zip code. But your name, your address with your zip code and your phone number would be great. Or actually, I would prefer that, because I will then just give your information to the distributor, who then will have plumbers that they deal with, that they're comfortable and know that they've been trained and certified to come and install your unit. Okay? All right, YouTube, if you have a question, will be in the comment below. I do have that Tankless guy stickers for sale. I will be posting them soon with pricing. I also have Bob's Your Uncle stickers also for sale, and I'm going to be getting t-shirts on. Oh yes, look, that is my new shirt. I forgot to model it. Excuse me. Yes, this is our new shirts. That Tankless guy. So my email will be in the description below, with also the Navien's phone number and Navien for their training phone number. And you can, call them to either get on their list or to get onto the list of the next class, or to call them to find a licensed plumber or a distributor. And if you have a question, you can email me with it. All right, YouTube? You all be safe out there, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye now.